This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mobirise website builder. First, you will need to download and install the Mobirise application on your computer. Once installed, open the program and select a pre-designed template or begin with a blank page to start your project. The core of building your site involves dragging and dropping various content blocks, such as headers, images, and text, directly onto your page. This intuitive process makes website creation accessible to everyone, even those with zero coding experience. After adding blocks, the next step is to customize them to fit your vision. You can easily edit text, swap out images, and embed videos directly within each block. Mobirise offers extensive block parameters, allowing you to fine-tune backgrounds, colors, fonts, and spacing, such as padding and margins, with just a few clicks. There is also a built-in image editor for basic adjustments like cropping or applying filters, ensuring your visuals are perfectly polished for your site. To make your website more dynamic, Mobirise allows you to integrate several advanced features. You can easily add contact forms, social media feeds, and interactive Google Maps to enhance user engagement. For those with coding knowledge, custom code blocks provide the flexibility to insert your own HTML, CSS, or JavaScript for unique functionalities. Furthermore, you can manage crucial site settings, including search engine optimization options and analytics tracking, to ensure your site performs well and reaches its audience. Once your website is complete, it is time to publish it to the world. Mobirise offers several publishing options. You can save your site to a local folder, upload it via FTP to your hosting provider, or even publish it to a Mobirise subdomain. Before publishing, always perform a thorough check to ensure all links are functional and images display correctly. It is also highly recommended to regularly back up your project files to prevent any potential data loss, safeguarding your hard work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.